Truckfile have a fantastic platform, and with us being able to voice enable their inspection processes, gave us that opportunity to deliver the 100% compliance that is required within the truck and fleet market.
And also there's a big jump in efficiency. We reckon that you could save at least one inspection a day. So if you add that up over a year, that's a massive saving.
It's brought a huge level of compliance. It gets done to a high standard. Nothing gets missed. You get asked the first one and then it works step by step and it goes all the way through it, and you can't miss anything. It doesn't let you move on until you've answered that particular question, so it's great.
Pass.
Check rear registration plate.
Pass.
The system is truly dynamic. There is no need for secondary input. We're doing it in real time.
Pass.
You're literally speaking as the information comes through the headset, and it's as simple as that. It enables efficiency gains in productivity, 100% compliance. From a carbon footprint standpoint, it reduces the need for any paper. The accuracy levels are 99.99%.
The added benefits of that are, less mistakes, better compliance, it's all recorded. As with our normal system, you take photos and videos as well.
Once you get used to the system, it's easy. You save in 20 minutes, get the next job in. So if I did, for example, I work 10-hour shifts, so if I get book time, 5 inspections a day, I can make that 6 just by doing this.
And then hand in hand came the compliance. With the Truckfile voice solution, we were finding instant compliance documents. Can't remember a truck leaving site without its inspection document completed and signed off.
It is essential that we achieve that 100% compliance, and that's what voice-directed maintenance inspection delivers every single time, without fail. Dakota are leading the way, and we are definitely at the cutting edge of being able to deliver these solutions.
It's been tailored to us brilliantly. Dakota have been fantastic. You couldn't ask for a better service.
We've built a partnership over the last 3 years and we've got a very good working relationship.
We've invested in more headsets for Boston and we look to roll it out across the wider business shortly. If you told me today that you was going to take Truckfile voice away, I'd leave. It's been that successful and it's changed our business that well, yeah.